how to write a lead magnet email sequence once you get a new subscriber, and how to double your CTR instantly. Most people think that once they get someone's email, the work is done. Then they are shocked to find that not many people bothered opening the mail or even bothered downloading the lead magnet, even though they just asked for it. In this episode, I will give you a proven word-for-word template that will get people to actually open and click on your link to download your lead magnet, doubling your CTR instantly. This will help build your relationship with the new subscriber and prove to them you actually have valuable things to share, increasing the chances of them buying from you. So let's get started. Welcome to the lead magnet email. This is the simple email that a new subscriber will get once they opt in to your list. This email contains the link to download your lead magnet. That is why this mail will be sent immediately after someone opts in. This action will be automated, meaning your email service provider or your landing page service will automatically send this email on your behalf. As for where you upload your lead magnet, which is also called a digital asset, it's usually uploaded to your landing page service. For example, I use ClickFunnels and I uploaded my digital asset here. Then I make sure I copy the location, which becomes the link to download the file. Okay, let's go back to the template. This email is supposed to be quick and straight to the point. Someone is interested in your lead magnet, so let's give it to them. I try to give you at least 3 different options to choose from for subject lines, but they all pretty much say the same thing, which is stating your lead magnet name so that your new subscriber will open the first email they receive from you. The intro is as straightforward as can be. It starts by saying, "Hello, as promised, here is your lead magnet name. You can download it here." And you provide the link to your lead magnet page, which is where your digital asset is located. Now, at this point, many email marketers stop and end the email with a thank you, and it's done. But what I have found is that not everyone go to their inbox immediately after giving you their email. There is a good chance that hours have passed since they first requested your lead magnet. This is why it's helpful to our new subscriber that we jog their memory as to what they opted in for. You can put a picture of the lead magnet in your mail and choose either option 1 or 2, which is describing the benefits. You can choose either option, but option 2 is my favorite, because in addition to talking about the benefits of your lead magnet, you also say, "My favorite part is on page number or video second number, because just by doing that, I was able to benefit." What you're doing is you are calling out to a specific part of your lead magnet that's extra helpful. This is a psychology tactic that generates more curiosity, making the reader more want to consume your lead magnet. After this, we have an optional section. You can choose to put either option into your email or disregard it. What these optional sections are trying to do is to have the reader engage with your email by replying back. If they do, it tells the email service provider that your email is good, not spam, and your sender score will go up. So this is a trick to get engagement right off the bat. The only downside is that you would have to respond back to them after they reply. Later on, when you're getting hundreds of opt-ins a day and you get tired of responding back to people, then you can leave these 2 optional selections out of your mail. Finally, at the end of the email, we leave with a PS. Now, this is important. It says, "If you are new to your company's name, I'll be sending you another email with a cool new opportunity. You'll definitely want to read it because it will really help you with benefit." We are basically priming them and getting them ready to receive our offer email that we will send a day after. It's telling them to watch out for our future emails, and it even tells them the subject line of that offer email so that they won't miss it. Okay? So that's it. Congrats! We just went through our first template together. Our future template videos will be even quicker and smoother now that you are familiar with the format of everything. Okay, it's time to move on and write our first sales email. I'll see you in the next episode.